Hey guys, Eric here, and today I'm going to be trying Arizona hard iced teas. This is something I never done before, and something I never seen made by Arizona before. All of your favorite iced teas, well, three of them from your childhood, now adults can enjoy it. And with that, how about we try it? How about we decide to try them? Well, first, I'm gonna try different these types of flavors differently, and after that, second time, but with the Mexican beer treatment, lime and salt. Now, before we start this video, I did take this morning recovery 1 hour before I start. So let's get to it, shall we? All right. So first, I'm gonna try green tea with ginseng and honey. Got this cup for this. So let's try it. Smells like the same thing, but with alcohol. Oh, kind of looks like piss, but that's just my opinion. Just tastes the same thing, but harder. Why did I say that? Like I said, tastes like the same thing, but with alcohol in it. All right, let's do it again, but this time with a Mexican beer lime and salt treatment. Just a squeeze of a lime wedge. And a pinch of salt. Just give it a swirl. Still kind of tastes the same. Or maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. Alright, for the next one, just iced tea with lemon. Alright. Time to take out this second cup. Smells like the same original. No difference. Except for the alcohol. It just tastes like the same thing. Interesting. Alrighty then, let's try this again, but this time with the same old lime and salt treatment. Pour it like that. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the sizzling. Or the bubbles bursting. Now I'm adding salt. Give it a little swirl. Alright, let's try the lemon iced tea with lime and salt. Still tastes the same. Yeah, I guess the lemon is stronger than the lime. I did put salt in it, but I still don't taste the salt either. Alright, and finally, peach iced tea. Alright, so take a third cup, open it. Ah, crap, not again. Because I accidentally spilled it a little bit. And again, tastes like the same old thing, but with only 5% alcohol. Like these two. Although I gotta admit, the peach made it taste amazing. Alrighty, let's do it again, but this time with the lime and salt again. Oh yeah. Salt. Give it a little swirl. And now we try it. Maybe I can taste the hint of lime. Nah, I guess the peach overpowers the lime. But it does taste really good though. Alright, now we try them all, along with lime and salt. I don't know which one do I prefer, honestly. Alright, for the green tea was ginseng and honey. Tastes like the classic. The lemon iced tea. Still the classic. And the peach iced tea. Still tastes like childhood classics. Or high school classics, whichever you prefer. Honestly, this is really tough. If I have to guess, I would say the green tea was ginseng and honey as my first favorite. The peach iced tea, second. And the lemon iced tea for last. That's just my opinion. If you ever try any of these three flavors, what is yours? Comment down in the comment section below. Alright, before I end this video, what if I try all three of them mixed into one? Well, here we go. Just that enough. That's also enough. And that's also enough. Let's try all of them just plain. Give it a little swirl. I guess the peach iced tea overpowers the lemon, and the green tea was ginseng and honey. Yeah, pretty much the peach overpowers the green tea and the lemon. So I did bring 3 lime wedges, but I should have get all of them, all 4. So I'm gonna use half of the lime anyways. All right, let's begin. Lemon iced tea, green tea, and peach iced tea. Lime wedge, lime, half of lime. If you're Mexican, you enjoy Mexican beer with lime and salt. I mean, that's pretty much our thing, unless I'm wrong. And also, bigger pinch of salt. I mean, I did take the supplement, but I feel like I'm a bit drunk right now. Oh, man. I'm gonna make a bad video, am I? Great, now I'm making a mess out of it. I'll get to it later, after this. Alright, here we go. It's all burst, it's all bubbling. Well, foaming. Yeah. The peach still overpowers everything, including the lime and salt. On a high note, it still tastes really good. Okay, now I have a hard time speaking right now because I'm getting a bit wasted. The supplement should be working, or or maybe I should wait in about an hour before I start. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, still overpowers. The peach still overpowers it. Okay, well, I'm seriously having a hard time talking. I don't know. Yeah, the peach still overpowers the green tea and the lemon tea, including the lime and salt. On a personal note, when I was in high school, I truly thought Arizona iced teas were actually made in the state of Arizona because of the illegal immigration controversy. I don't know much about it because I was a teenager. But then turns out Arizona teas were actually made in New York. So yeah, I was completely retarded on my part. To the Arizona company, I mean, the Arizona Tea Company, the fault is mine. I was retarded. I should have known better. 5% alcohol? It should have gone to 10. Or probably because of the limit of from the FDA. I don't even trust the FDA to begin with. Plus, I want to try the tequila that contains 55 or 50% alcohol, which I did try before back in 2019 or 2020 Tequila Festival. I did try it and wow, really hard, but I love it hard. Except but the problem is I don't know I should have wrote down the name of the the shit. The problem is I didn't write down the name of the tequila that contains 50% alcohol. Or was it 55? So yeah. That's completely stupid on my part. So hopefully one day if I get a ticket to my apologies. Oh man. Alcohol really does do this to you. I should have wrote down the name of the tequila so now I could buy it and then enjoy it. What tequila was supposed to be. Instead of adding water to dilute it down to 40%. What the fuck am I talking about here? Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to don't drink and drive. Like, at all. Ever. I know that law, and I am fully aware of that. And I truly don't want to get myself arrested for DUI, losing my license, and deal with the what's it called? Was it the well, I know it's the court fees, but oh, the fines. Fines. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, drink responsibility. See you guys next time. Ah, crap. I guess I read the instructions wrong for this. I should be really careful next time. Anyways, peace. Oops. Drunk me again.